Welcome to solverfy.
Okay, so in part A, let's consider the set consisting of 0, 3, 6, 9, and 12. So clearly, 0, 3, 6, 9, and 12 are multiples of 3, right? 0 can be written as 3 times 0, 3, 3 times 1, 6, 3 times 2, and so on. So therefore, writing this in set builder notation is done as follows. This is the set of all, multiples of 3. So 3n such that, so a straight line here, such that n is a natural number. So n an element of the natural numbers, where n is between 0 and 4, or 0 is less than or equal to n, which is less than or equal to 4. Okay, so again, how you'd read this is the set of all of 3n such that n is an element of the natural numbers, and n and 0 is less than or equal to n, which is less than or equal to 4. Okay, now for part B, let's consider the set. So we have the set -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so again, let's look at a property that all the elements of the set have, and we see that, well, clearly these are all integers, right? Starting with -3 and ending with 3. These are all consecutive integers going from -3 to 3. So we can write this set as follows. This is going to be the set of all n such that n is an integer, so such that n is an element of the integers. So z is the integers, and where n has to be between -3 and 3. So comma and -3 is less than or equal to n, which is less than or equal to 3. Or one other way to do this, and this is the same thing as saying the absolute value of n is less than or equal to 3. So you could say the set of all n such that n is an element of the integers, and the absolute value of n is less than or equal to 3. Right? Either way, both of these totally right. Okay. And now let's look at our last set. So the last set we have, part C, is the set consisting of the letters M, N, O, and P. Okay, so how can we write this in set builder notation? Well, these are all letters, obviously, right? Starting with M and going to P. And these are in order in the alphabet. So we can say this is the set of all, pick some variable. Let's say the set of all x such that x is an alphabet letter. And x ranges from m to p. So, and m is less than or equal to x, which is less than or equal to p, right? Because, I mean, letters, like numbers, right, do have an order, which is kind of given by humans, right? I mean, is there a reason why A is less than B and B is less than C? Well, not really, but the letters do have an order, right, where one letter is less than or greater than another, depending on where it comes in the alphabet. So this would be our set. Take care.